Hello friends, this is Rishi Gupta and this is a tribute to one of the great characters from Money Heist, which is Nairobi. And spoiler alert, but she has passed, the character has died in season 4. So guys, Nairobi was one character that was loved by everyone. And I'm not just talking about the fans, I'm talking about even the characters in the show. So almost all the characters are a mix of good and bad. There are some things about the characters you like, some things you dislike, and all of that. But this is one character which was loved by everyone, right? So she, especially from the perspective of the fans as well. So she's a mother who's longing to give her son a good life. She is a friend to almost everyone in the group. She is loved by Tokyo. She is a very close friend to Helsinki. They have a bond that transcends all barriers. She is loved by the professor. She even requests the professor to be a father to her child, and he actually consents as well. So this character Nairobi, she's close to everyone and she's loved by everyone. And even when she was at the in the first heist from the Bank of Spain, sorry, not the Bank of Spain, the Royal Mint, when the unknown hostages are printing money under the guidance of Nairobi, even they love her. Even they say that they have one character I remember said that he had never been treated so well by any of his supervisors as Nairobi has treated him. So that is the strength of the character. Even in the season 4, when the final heist is going on, she has the ability to motivate people, and she has the ability. So again, she was supervising the work that of smelting, of turning the gold bars into pellets. She was respected. She was loved by everyone who was working under her. So that was the strength of her character. That is why when she was shot, everyone was heartbroken. And each and every one of the characters who were part of the heist, even Pelremo was kind of very sensitive to what was happening to her. But again, so Pelremo is a very hard nut to crack. But still, everyone loved her, and that is why when her life was in the balance, everyone had their hearts in their mouths. That what was happened to Nairobi, and it was quite a shock when they killed her. It was really a shock. But again, so good things probably don't last. So that is why the character is a great character. You love the energy, you love the positivity, you love the friendliness, you love the way she interacts with everyone and brings energy to the group. She was kind of the binding agent in the group as well. So guys, that is my tribute to Nairobi. We'll definitely miss her as a character, and I hope we see her in flashbacks and the snippets of her earlier life as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to check out some more videos about Money Heist, you can, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you so much.